Started this project over a year ago, where I lost a lot of the footage, so it's just been stuck in the shed. Basically lost interest with it, but I managed to salvage a lot of it together, so here goes. So I've painted it all black from the primer stage. Just making the iron arm. Bear with me if I don't say any of the names correctly, it's just from Google. Just using 5mm foam board, just gluing them all together. Same as what I did in the part 1. Just cutting a section out there. This is an old dimmer switch I found. It doesn't do anything, but it just looks quite good. Just building this up. This is a piece of floor foam. Just putting some holes in, ready to accept some doweling. Trim that off and do the same the other side. That's that done. Just gluing that onto the top. Just go to coat of primer and black. Just drilling some holes now with some pipe connectors. Just using some blue electrical cable. Some glue in the back, just placing it in the back. This, I end up moving this later on, it just doesn't look right, but I twist it round so it looks better. I'm just colouring in the dowel now after I painted it black and gold with a gold marker pen. Placing a couple of screws at the top. This is actually a plastic number plate screw for a motorbike. Putting this up black there. This is an old screwdriver, just cutting it down. I'm just drilling a hole in it, I'm just using it by hand because it's only soft. It's a bit too fiddly for use a drill really. Just trying the cable there. Do the same to the other end. So it's gluing that in. Just put it with the masking tape off from when I painted it. Just gluing the iron arm or eon arm. Drilling a hole into the PPD to accept the other part of the cable. Like I say, bear with me if I don't say the names right. I downloaded the labels and printed them on the actual sticky A4 paper. This is a correction fluid or Tepex. Peel the label off, shorten the top down and paint it with primer, then silver paint. Now I'm just sticking the label on, or I've just downloaded. Just cut a section out of floor foam. For all the base, I'm just putting some screws in now. Excuse the noise, I was throwing it down when I did this. Screwing that on the, I think it's called the clip board. Screwing that onto the body now. I'm just screwing them screws in as well. Now this part now, he ended up putting some fairy lights in. So cut a square piece of foam, glued the lights in just a straight line, inserted the battery pack into the box, and I left it so they could, there was an hole for the button, and extended the button so you could switch him on and off from outside, and that's what it's like when it's done. I think there's about 8 different light settings on it. I'm just drilling a hole now to accept some flexible tubing. This is like a conduit for conduit piping. Just drilling a hole at the other end, slotting that in there. That's that done. And this is some electrical cable. Put a washer at the end and glued that on. Did 2 of them. Covered them with blue. I didn't have any blue and red, so I had to use some electrician tape. Covered one in blue. And the other one in red. Just painted the washers black. And these are for going on the injectors. I used 20mm plastic cable conduit. Just gluing them into the end, and I just use some corrugated conduit for the ends, as you see there. Just running some hot glue around the side now, which is where I glue them together. I do reinforce it at the back as well with some more glue. Just gluing them on the base of them now, and gluing them to the power cell. Some more glue there. Just drilling 2 holes in. I don't know what this is called. Just feeding the cables into that. Just placing that back on. I don't know if you've noticed, but some of the editing isn't in order. I just had to try to piece it together best I can. Well, that's where I'm up to for now. Still got a few more things to sort the backpack side of it out, and the bumper, shot mount, and several other things to do. So that'll do for now. And I've done some sort of weathering with some dry silver paint, but needs doing some more really. But I'll do that in the next one. Yeah, it's turning out pretty good really. Since I haven't really had to buy anything. A few supplies really, so for cheap stuff it's not too bad at all. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments and I'll gladly help if I can. Yeah, that's pretty much it really. Thanks for looking. Like and subscribe if you like what you see, and turn your notification button on ready for the next one. Thank you.